Now that you've seen how to correctly and safely mount your motorcycle from a few different angles, we're going to show you a simple process to safely get off your motorcycle. What that looks like step by step. The first thing you want to do is cover that front brake lever and squeeze it in, as you can see there. This will just keep the bike from moving unexpectedly on you in the event that you're in neutral. Even if you're in gear, it can move and rock just a little bit. So squeeze that brake, bike won't move. Next, you can use your right foot to balance you down on the ground here, and use your left foot to find your side stand. Sometimes it takes a little work to use your heel to hook this little knob right here, put that side stand down. Once you have your side stand down, then you want to actually lean the bike over onto that side stand and allow it to take the weight of the bike. You can kind of test this out by lifting your foot up off the ground and just making sure that that side stand is going to hold the weight of your machine. Next, you can go ahead and turn your handlebars full lock all the way to the left towards the side stand. This will help all the weight of your machine balance correctly over onto that side stand the way that it's designed. Next, with that front brake still squeezed in so the bike doesn't move, you can slowly swing your leg off and dismount the bike. As you do this, notice she's still holding her handlebars to keep control of the bike. That'll also help you keep balance as you're getting on and off so you don't fall over on the ground. Once you're safely on the ground, standing on both feet, then you can let that brake out, let your hands off the bars, and then strike a cool pose to show how good you are.